What's up, lawn dogs? Jeff Foster here, Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, it is the end of October, and I don't think there's much more mowing to be done, but that's all right. We're moving into fall cleanup. But I did get some pretty cool footage of me mowing about a week ago. I'm going to pick that up right now from a friend. So stick around, check it out, and I'll be back with you to tell you what's going on now and in the future of Ulnar Lawn Care. right, lawn dogs, so you've seen Betty before. This is my truck I've been using for the lawn care business. Let me introduce you, well, there's Betty one last time. Let me introduce you to Jack. Boom. Jack is a Chevy 1500 1990 with the plow. It's got a Western plow on it. This is what I'm going to be using this winter for snow plowing and stuff. So I named it Jack, and that one's Betty. So Betty White and Jack Black. I know, it's cool. Anyway, yeah, so that's the truck. It's not bad. It's old, it's used, but it's in pretty good shape. There's some good old Michigan rust on it, but tires got good tread, starts right up. Plow works great, heat works, wipers work. Brake lines I had fixed. I did have something going wrong with those. I got those taken care of, but man, I drive her quite a bit right now, just to getting the feel for it. But we're getting ready for that winter months. Plowing moving ahead. All right, be right back. That's what I'm using to plow this year. I'm not taking on any huge customers like Walmart's or anything like that. Just small commercials and residentials. Nothing that I have to be up all night for to plow. I didn't want to plow this year, but I kind of put myself in a situation where I have to. But that's okay. Now I'm excited about it and working on it and getting it going. Getting my name out there, getting the plowing out there. I just come from a place, gonna quote a property. She wants it quoted for the season though, not per push. So that's something I gotta research. She's the first person to ask me that. So I knew it was a thing, but I didn't think it was popular. But apparently it's more popular. So I gotta do some research. I'm gonna check out a couple YouTube channels. Spencer's, I know he plows. Brian's Lawn Care, I know he plows. So I might do some research on their websites to see how they might do seasonal quotes. But anyways, that is the truck. I hope you liked the footage from earlier. I definitely appreciated Jason for doing that for me. And yeah, so anyway, hey, love everyone. Or what does Ellen say? Be kind to everyone. Ellen, I'm stealing it. Yeah, Ellen from the Ellen Show. Be kind to everyone. Go make that green. Ow.